here today as part of the foundation target for this year. We're targeting to plant 350,000 trees. And today, through the Miti Alliance, we have collaborated so that we can plant around 35,000 trees in 5 schools.
Today we are at Nyariginu Comprehensive School, where we began a project 2 weeks ago that has culminated with today's planting. And what we are doing is that we are establishing something called a Miyawaki Forest. And what we were doing today was planting indigenous trees, which were about 55 varieties of indigenous canopy, tree layer, and shrub layer trees. And it was to restore this environment to its native way.